So I'm new to Snapchat. I'm trying to figure out how it actually works. Because it's like a little yellow ghost up there that keeps blinking. Not sure. My Kevy, what's that? Like it's just like a little yellow ghost keeps blinking at the top.
Well, I don't know what you're doing.
I'm trying to figure out how to. Oh Lord, now what I do now? Okay, so I'm trying to adjust the legs. Well, I guess you really can't see, but the tripod. Oh, there it go. It works. So let me see if it'll hold. But it can still hold on one leg. Oh no. Oh wait. Oh, there it go. Oh wait. Okay, so it's leaning, but it works. I invest. Well, my hubby will invest in me anew. But as long as I got one leg working, I'm good with that. Bam. So the next step is trying to figure out how to stop this ghost at the top, this yellow ghost at the top from blinking. What's the purpose of it blinking? I don't know. Then you got the right there triangle, no, rectangle, and it's going like around like that. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. It's exhausting. See you tomorrow, or I just try to figure it out and come back later. Hi guys, it's me again. So now I'm trying to figure out how to like save the the videos, but I don't want like to save the wrong thing. Oh yeah. And like it says like the camera roll, and I don't want the things from my phone to be like on the on the on the camera inside of Snapchat. Because a lot of times I like snap, like not snap but like screenshot like banking information and stuff, and so I don't want that to be like on Snapchat chat. So I'm trying to really figure this out. Because I guess I gotta go through the tutorial, but it's like so much information. Whew. But I'm gonna eventually get it, see how to save it, see how to do everything, and then I'll be back. Hopefully, the next time I come back, my tripod, my selfie tripod, will be stable. Okay? Bye, you guys. Okay, so now I'm inside because it got too humid outside for me to continue to be on the balcony. I figured what I could do is super glue my tripod. I'm gonna have to show you what it looks like. I could super glue the tripod, the legs of it, in order for it to stand. Oh, but then how okay, if I super glue it, then I hope that it stays, to make sure that it doesn't like the glue come off once I close the tripod back up. I'm at to show you what I'm talking about. So, okay, bye Snap World, because I'm trying to get used to doing this and figuring it out. Thank you. I just thought about something. Do I really need a tripod in order to do videos and do Snapchat World? Probably so, because holding the tripod make it exhausting at times. Okay, so I'm gonna fix it with super glue.